Do you know what the difference is between a poor person and a rich person? The poor person counts coins to buy a loaf of bread, while the rich person counts $100 bills to buy a yacht. But don't worry, everyone, today I've brought some tips to help you increase your income and diversify your sources of income so that we can all have a chance to buy a yacht one day. If you clicked on this video, it's because you're looking for tips to increase your income and diversify your sources of income, right? Well, you've come to the right place. I'll tell you a secret, making money isn't easy, but it's also not impossible. You need to have an open mind, be creative, and of course, be willing to put in the work. Oh, and a little bit of luck doesn't hurt anyone either. But don't worry, I'm not going to tell you to sell water on the beach or create a YouTube channel. Instead, I'm going to share 5 practical tips that you can apply immediately to increase your income and diversify your sources of income. And I'll warn you right now, tip number 5 is intense. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Learn a new skill. Did you know that the skill you learn today can be the source of income you need tomorrow? Yes, it's true. Learning a new skill, whether it's programming, graphic design, cooking, or anything else, can be the key to finding new job opportunities and increasing your income. So, if you don't have a skill that you can turn into a source of income yet, it's time to start researching and learning. You can find many free or paid online courses, books, tutorials, and workshops in your area of interest. Take advantage of the tools that the internet offers us to learn and specialize. And now, folks, I want to hear from you. What skill would you like to learn? Leave it in the comments below. Tip number 2. Create a product or service. If you have a special skill or talent, why not create a product or service around it? This could be anything from selling handmade products to providing consulting services. For example, if you're good at cooking, you could sell your recipes or offer catering services for events. If you're good at photography, you could sell your photos online or offer photography services for events. The key here is to find something you enjoy doing and that people are willing to pay for. It's important to research the market and find out what the demand is before starting. And now, folks, I want to hear from you. Have you created a product or service around your skills before? Let me know in the comments below. Tip number 3. Invest in stocks. If you're looking for a way to increase your income in the long term, investing in stocks may be a good option. Of course, this requires some knowledge and research, but it's one of the most effective ways to build long-term wealth. The first step is to research companies that you believe have long-term growth potential. You can search online, read financial news, and follow blogs and YouTube channels that specialize in investments. Next, it's important to diversify your stock portfolio by investing in different sectors and companies to reduce the risk of losing money. You may also consider investing in index funds, which track the overall market performance and may offer a more stable return. But remember, investing in stocks is not a quick way to make money. It's important to be patient and think long-term, investing regularly over time to maximize your returns. And now, folks, I want to hear from you. Have you invested in stocks before? Let me know in the comments below. Tip number 4. Start an online business. With the rise of e-commerce and the growth of the internet, starting an online business has never been easier. You can create an online store to sell your products or services, start a blog or YouTube channel to share your knowledge, or even become a digital influencer. But it's important to remember that, like any other business, starting an online business requires time, effort, and dedication. You need to be willing to learn about digital marketing, build a strong brand, and connect with your customers. And now, folks, I want to hear from you. Have you started an online business before? Leave your comments below. Tip number 5. Work part-time. If you don't have the time or resources to invest in a new business or learn a new skill, working part-time may be a good option. There are many part-time job opportunities available in various sectors, from customer service to freelance work. Working part-time can help you increase your income without compromising your full-time job, allowing you to have flexibility and still enjoy your hobbies and interests. And now folks, I want to hear from you. Have you worked part-time before? Leave your comments below. So folks, those were some tips to help you increase your income and diversify your sources of income. Remember that there is no one right way to make money, and what works for one person may not work for another. But if you're willing to be creative and work hard, I'm sure you'll find a way to increase your income and reach your financial goals. And now folks, remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content like this. And don't forget to leave in the comments below which was your favorite tip. Thank you very much for watching until the end. And click on the suggested videos by YouTube here on the final screen. Until the next video.